What is the most expensive spice in the world by weight? Option A, vanilla. Option B, cardamom. Option C, saffron. Option D, mustard. And the answer is option C, saffron. The KFC secret recipe uses how many herbs and spices? Option A, 7. Option B, 11. Option C, 8. Option D, 12. And the answer is option B, 11. How many calories does a glass of water contain? Option A, 100. Option B, 1000. Option C, 10. Option D, 0. And the answer is option D, 0. Which bread ingredient causes it to rise? Option A, yeast. Option B, water. Option C, wheat. Option D, egg. And the answer is option A, yeast. What type of pasta has a name meaning little worms? Option A, cannelloni. Option B, ravioli. Option C, vermicelli. Option D, farfalle. And the answer is option C, vermicelli. What is Eleven's favorite food in Stranger Things? Option A, rice and chicken. Option B, milkshake. Option C, pasta. Option D, egg waffles. And the answer is option D, egg waffles. What is the most consumed manufactured drink in the world? Option A, coffee. Option B, tea. Option C, wine. Option D, beer. And the answer is option B, tea. What is the hottest chili pepper? Option A, jalapeno peppers. Option B, wood jolokia. Option C, gator chili. Option D, Carolina Reaper. And the answer is option D, Carolina Reaper. Who was the Caesar salad named after? Option A, Julius Caesar. Option B, Caesar Cardini. Option C, Caesar Bonaparte. Option D, Caesar Christie. And the answer is option B, Caesar Cardini. Which type of tea is known as the champagne of the teas due to its delicate flavor and high price? Option A, Darjeeling tea. Option B, green tea. Option C, chamomile tea. Option D, hibiscus tea. And the answer is option A, Darjeeling tea.